Here's an S197 body style Mustang. 2007 Ford Mustang GT Premium Coupe. Some modifications done to this, and they are tastefully done. Nice looking car. If you see the stripe on the side there, it gives you that throwback to the Boss 302s from the 70s. And of course, that shaker hood. That is a classic design concepts shaker system, and we'll pop the hood in a little bit and check it out. You can also see it in the still pictures. Tell you where to see those in a little bit. This one's riding on Foose 20-inch chrome wheels. Also, if you take a look at this, you got a little different front end grille combination, chin spoiler. Now, still pictures. So you can see that engine bay, underside, interior. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Have the fog lights incorporated down the lower portion. Those do work. Kind of a driving light or fog light, if you will. Of course, the Mustang and tri-bar relocated from where the Mustang would have been on the center grille. Like this one would have came from Ford back in 07. See the flat black hood. And it does show there is a little bit of wear on the flat back, if you can kind of see, flat black where it's touched up just a little bit. But overall, this car shows nicely. Again, hood scoop or shaker system to it. Take a look up and down the passenger side here. The car's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. It's been driven. It's not like it sat on the showroom floor. You're going to find a few here and there, but overall, again, shows well. Here's a little example right up there, just a small little dinger, maybe a little chip. It's been touched up, but again, overall, take a look up and down the side of that. It's straight, looks good. Bucket seats, leather interior, also nicely equipped 07 with heated seats, dual power seats, has a 5-speed manual transmission, center console, push button start, as you can see up above the radio there, and I will show you that here in just a second too when we start it up and you can hear it run. That 5-speed manual is paired up with the 4.6 liter 3-valve V8 engine that's underneath the hood. A little different spoiler system in the back, again kind of going off that Boss 302 look from yesteryear. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, and we can sure assist with the transportation also. Just consult with your sales associate when you call in or email on any of those things you may have questions on.
If you like this video, hit the red subscribe button down below to really help our channel out, and you'll stay up to date on all future videos.
This one's made a trip to the Sturgis Mustang Rally, as you can see. Great event, by the way, if you haven't been there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. Also free, really, of much for any sort of nicks, dings, scratches. Again, car is a 2-owner car. It has been driven, but well taken care of, and it shows, no doubt about that. About 58,000 miles on this. Those are original miles. Like I said, it is a 2-owner car. This particular color on this one, satin silver metallic with the flat black striping accents. All right, let's go ahead, show the interior of this. So you got power locks, power windows. This would have the Shaker 500 stereo system to it, which would have the CD changer in the dash. Again, leather interior. Power bolster seats. I should say power bolster on the driver's side. Do not believe it has it on the passenger side, but it is a power passenger seat. Alright. Let's go ahead and start this up. So I mentioned earlier it had the push button. Should be right here. So turn your ignition key on. Got the push button start. I also mentioned heated seats. Check down there. There's the switches for the heated seats. Again, 5-speed. Dash. There's your exact miles, 58,620. And you can check out all the gauges working there. Oil pressure, battery, temp, fuel. Alright. And as you've seen, there's no warning indicators, anything like that. In the dash, as far as warning lights, service engine lights, anything like that. Nice throaty little rumble coming out of that 463 valve. I did click on the lights. I wanted to check one thing to show you or not. First of all, come around to the front. I'll show you those driving lights or fog lights do work. They're down the lower valance. All the lights work up front here. We're going to pop the hood, check out the engine bay here in a second too. I had a hunch that the taillights might be sequential, so I wanted to check that. So it does have the sequential taillights in it. It's kind of cool on these. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and let's check out how it looks underneath there.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
So there's the true shaker hood, and as you can see, that hood liner pretty darn clean. Doesn't appear this has really been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Most of these cars rear-wheel drive, you're not going to get around when it's nasty out. Now, there is the classic Design Concepts shaker system. Spruces up that engine bay some, gives you that shaker hood. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. This is somewhat of a cold air intake and return, so it is functional. Still coming off the main air box though for the 4.6 liter. But nice, smooth running engine. No doubt about that. And it sounds good. Looks good, sounds good. Got a little throwback to the older Boss days, but yet still has that modern look, feel, and amenities. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Clicking the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.